bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo.
Alright you guys, so as you can see, my hair is like faded red. My roots are growing out. I did cut my hair. I caught myself trying to cut my hair into a bob, y'all, and I butched it. So hopefully this time around, after I dye my hair, it will come out all fine. So I'm going to be using 2 boxes of the Clairol. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the dye I'm going to be using, and I have I have 3 boxes, but hopefully I'll only need to use 2. And if you've been watching my channel, or if you've been subscribed to me for a long time, then you know I've been dyeing my hair red since 2016. So I am completely over this red phase, especially when it comes to my natural hair. So I'm definitely over this whole red hair phase, and especially with red, for some reason, like that color, like literally I was like touching up my hair every 3 weeks to a month, and that's just too much, you know, coloring and so much processing I would have to do to my hair. Like, so it's time for me to grow out of that phase.
Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right, and I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah, don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Hey, I'ma keep it honest with you, let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right, and I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah, don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Hey, I'ma keep it honest with you, let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right. And I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah. Don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Ay.
Alright y'all, so I'm gonna do the back of my hair off camera because I'm not gonna be able to see, so I know y'all not gonna be able to see, so I'm going to do that and then I'm gonna come back when I rinse my hair and wash it out for you guys. So
I'ma keep it honest with you, let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right. And I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah. Don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Ay, I'ma keep it honest with you, let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right. And I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah. Don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Ay, I'ma keep it honest with you, let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right. And I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah. Don't wanna be the one to tell you, girl, that you're right. These are my confessions. 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 I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the real. Ay, I'ma keep it honest with you. Let you know the deal. Can't have you looking crazy, not knowing what's up for real. I hope this next song just don't bring you to tears, cause I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah, I'ma be honest with you, oh yeah. Yeah. Every time we fuck, I get this feeling like it's something on your mind. The way you look at me tells me I'm right. And I already know what you think. You think I'm out here with somebody on the side. Yeah. Don't wanna.
Alright, you guys, so as you can see, one side is like longer than the other. That's because I cut my hair off camera. Now y'all, I am not a pro at cutting, so I'm gonna have to cut my hair off camera, y'all, because it took me like a good little 30 minutes just to try to get this where it's at, and it's not even like all the way even, and I still have like a little piece in the back I need to cut. So I'm gonna do that off camera. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my hair once I am all finished. Alright, you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I did the best I could with the cutting. One side is a little bit longer than the other, but you can't really tell too much, and I don't want to go in and try to like fix it and then I make it worse. So I'm gonna just leave it how it is. So this is it, you guys. Now I did use 3 boxes of the hair color, and when I was like straightening my hair, I could see like a little bit of the red coming through, but it's not too bad and it's not really that noticeable. So overall, I'm happy with my hair. I really wanted to do like a big chop, but I was like, you know what, let me take baby steps, because if you don't know, if you're not subscribed to my channel, my hair was literally down my back, almost touching my butt. So I've been wanting to cut my hair for a really long time, so I called myself trying to cut it. I butched that, so I guess this is like the revamped cut. So I'm so happy with it. Like, I've never had short hair in my life, so I'm just like in love with it, you guys. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't really want to make this like too much of a tutorial style video, because honestly I did not know how this was gonna come out. I didn't know how the cut was gonna come out. I didn't know how the color was gonna turn out, so I really didn't want to do like an in-depth like tutorial video, because I didn't want it to be like a shit show on camera for y'all. So I definitely will probably have more like silk press videos and just like hair videos now that my hair is shorter, and I am going to be wearing my hair out more often. So I definitely will have more videos like that coming soon. But don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.